In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out a single Gmail account from multiple accounts in just 5 minutes. If you find yourself juggling multiple Gmail accounts and you've ever ended up logged into the wrong one, or perhaps you're just sharing a device and want to keep things tidy, this is the right tutorial for you. So let's dive right in and make sure you're managing your Gmail accounts efficiently. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once there, you should see your inbox displayed. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small circular icon which is actually your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop down menu with a quick overview of all the Google accounts that you are currently logged into on that browser. In this drop down, simply look for the option that says manage your Google account and click on it. This will redirect you to your account management page where you have access to various settings related to your Google account. You'll find a panel on the left side of the screen, and from here you'll want to select the tab labeled Security. Once you're on the security page, scroll down until you reach a section titled Your Devices. This area summarizes all the devices that are currently signed in with your Google account. Right beneath it you should see a button that says Manage All Devices. Click on this and it will display a list of all devices where your Google account is active. Now go through this list carefully. You'll need to click on the specific device from which you want to sign out. Be sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have several devices listed. When you're ready, click on the device and it will expand to show you more details. Finally, you are now ready for the last step. Locate the sign out option and click on it. You may be prompted with a confirmation message just to make sure this is the action you want to take. Confirm the sign out and that's it. You have successfully signed out your Gmail account from that device without affecting your active sessions on other devices. This simple process ensures that you have full control over your Gmail account's active sessions, therefore enhancing security and maintaining your privacy. Remember, it's always a good habit to review your logged in devices regularly and sign out from any unfamiliar or unused ones. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.